Car features you'll regret not knowing. Pro tips. Ron's drivers think they know their car inside out. But here's the truth. Your car is hiding features. Clever, life-saving, money-saving features that the majority of people never use. Some of these could save you hundreds in repairs. Some are designed to protect your family. And one of them? It's like a guardian angel living inside your engine, working every second you drive. So buckle up, because we're counting down 17 car features you'll regret not knowing. And trust me, when you hear number 1, you'll never look at your car the same way again. 17. The fuel gauge arrow. Your built-in GPS for gas stations. You've probably embarrassed yourself at least once by pulling up to a gas station and guessing the wrong side of the pump. But here's the secret. Your car has been telling you all along. Right next to your fuel gauge is a tiny arrow pointing left or right. That arrow shows you exactly which side your gas cap is on. It's been there for decades, but millions of drivers still don't notice it. Once you know, you'll never make that mistake again. 16. The hidden key in your fob. Backup for when tech fails. Modern cars rely on smart keys, but batteries die at the worst possible time. You're standing outside your locked car, pressing the button like it owes you money. But don't panic. Inside every smart fob is a real metal key. Slide the latch, pull it out, and you can unlock the door the old-fashioned way. Some cars even hide the keyhole behind a plastic cover on the driver's door. It's your car's backup plan when technology lets you down. 15. Vanity mirror light timer. The silent battery protector. Think leaving your vanity mirror open will drain your battery? Not exactly. Engineers know drivers forget things, so they built in a timer. After about 10 minutes, the light quietly shuts off to save your battery. That random moment when your mirror light went dark wasn't a fault. It was your car protecting itself. 14. The sun visor extension. Killing the sneaky sunbeam. You know when you're driving west in the evening, and the sun sneaks right through the side window stabbing you in the eye. Here's the hack. Slide your visor sideways. That annoying beam is gone. It's simple, it's effective, and once you know it, you'll wonder how you survived without it. 13. Auto brake hold. Your leg's best friend in traffic. Imagine sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic, your foot glued to the brake pedal for half an hour. With auto hold, you don't have to. The car holds itself in place every time you stop. When the light turns green, you just tap the gas and go. It keeps you from rolling backward on hills, and it keeps your legs from cramping in city traffic. Once you try it, you'll never go back. 12. Courtesy lights, your nighttime bodyguards. Those small lights under your mirrors or on your door handles, they're not just for style. They're designed to light the ground around your car at night, so you can spot puddles, potholes, or even someone approaching. In some cars, sensors detect your movement or body heat and turn them on as you walk up, like the car is welcoming you back. 11. The double lock combo. True child safety. Parents rely on child locks for the doors, but kids can still roll windows down and stick hands or toys outside. The real move? Combine child lock with the window lock. Now the doors stay locked, the windows stay up, and your back seat is officially toddler-proof. It's a small detail that can prevent big problems. 10. Heated side mirrors. Winter's secret weapon. On a frosty morning, when you hit the rear defroster, chances are your side mirrors heat up too. That's why they clear fog and ice without you touching them. It's one of those hidden features that makes winter mornings easier, but most people never realize it's happening. 9. Headlights that get smarter in reverse. Ever thought your headlights seemed brighter when backing up at night? You're not imagining it. Some cars boost headlight power or activate side lights when you shift into reverse. It gives you better visibility for judging distances and spotting obstacles, and it's especially useful in dark parking lots or driveways. 8. The $20 cabin filter fix. Mechanics charge $80 or more to replace your cabin air filter, but in most cars, it's right behind your glove box. Swap it yourself for $20, and you'll breathe cleaner air, reduce odors, and help your AC run better. It's quick, it's cheap, and it makes a noticeable difference. 7. Resetting tire pressure. Beating the false alarm. You fill your tires, but the warning light is still glaring at you. Here's why. The system doesn't reset automatically. Look under the steering wheel for a small reset button. Hold it for 10 seconds, and the sensors recalibrate. No need for a mechanic, no wasted time, just a quick fix. 6. The emergency fuel door release. Nothing is more frustrating than pressing the button for your fuel door and nothing happens. That's why most cars hide a manual release cable in the trunk or near the driver's seat. Pull it, and the fuel door pops open instantly. It's a little-known backup for one of the most common car annoyances. 5. Rear view mirror night mode. The tab that saves your eyes. That tiny tab under your rearview mirror isn't just random plastic. Flip it, and it changes the angle of the glass to cut glare from headlights behind you. It's an old-school feature that makes night driving far less stressful. Many people drive for years without realizing it's there. 4. Cooling your car with the remote. In the middle of summer, your car can turn into an oven. But many vehicles have a hidden trick. Hold the unlock button on your fob, and all the windows roll down at once. It vents the hot air before you even step inside, making your drive instantly more comfortable. 3. Hazard lights with an SOS pattern. Hazards aren't just for flat tires. In some cars, tapping the hazard button multiple times changes the flash pattern to a faster SOS-style signal. Emergency responders know this pattern, and it makes your car stand out in dangerous situations. It's like your built-in distress beacon. 2. Glow-in-the-dark trunk escape. The lifesaver inside every modern car trunk is a glow-in-the-dark handle. If someone ever gets trapped inside, kids, pets, even adults, they can pull it and escape instantly. It's simple, it's effective, and it's saved lives. 1. Engine knock protection. The invisible mechanic inside your car. The most incredible feature of all is one you'll never see in action: knock sensors. They act like tiny microphones, constantly listening for dangerous knocking sounds inside your engine. If they detect trouble, the computer adjusts timing in milliseconds to prevent catastrophic damage. Without it, one tank of bad fuel or one hot summer drive could destroy your engine. With it, your car silently saves you from a repair bill that could cost thousands. It's like having a mechanic living under your hood, protecting you every time you drive. So how many of these did you already know? Be honest, because I bet at least one of these surprised you. If these tips saved you time, money, or stress, then imagine what I've got lined up next. Click right here for more car secrets you've never heard of. And don't forget, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who thinks they know cars. Chances are, they don't.